Hello, Odd Job Doer here, and today's little job is going to be taking care of this here. You see, what we got here is pipe and a hose bib to a hose bib that has a little adapter on the back here for a 1/4 inch, and then of course a hose here. So it's a little bit of a mess, but you know, that I guess that worked for a while. Where this goes to is you got a 1/4 inch that goes to this swamp cooler over here, and this here evaporative cooler over here. See that? Evaporative cooler, swamp cooler. Anyways, what I'm going to do here, hopefully, is I'll be taking off the, mind you, I'm on the handy cam here, so I'm going to do one thing at a time. Taking off this here hose, which doesn't need that, and then I'll be deconstructing this whole valve thing. Turn it on, make sure the water's off. Water's off, this is going to go away. And in its place is going to go a 3-way. So it could feed both coolers with a good valve and have a spare hose thing, hose bib. Now, yes, you could say just go to a hardware store and find, you know, either a splitter, a 3-way, a 5-way maybe. But you know what? From my studies on these things, those are all pretty much junk. So this is going to be the right way to do it. Alright, we got that off there. And the next thing will be is we're going to need a pipe wrench. I'll be using a pipe wrench on this right here. And if you ever see one of these little beasts, you know, it goes like that. And the problem with pipe wrenches is usually you grab on it, the more you go to twist it and torque it down, the more it crushes the pipe. So you know there's some rust on the outside of this pipe, and it's really rusty on the inside, I can do some damage. And then we'll just replace the pipe. Alright, anyways, we'll put that on there, and this right up on here, and I'll find some muscles, and basically make it happen, and unscrew this top part. Alright, so in its place we got that right there. And I just wanted to show here that, gross. See that? It's packed full of crud of some kind. Could just be rust, but whatever it is, I'm gonna go turn the valve back on real quick and blow it out, and then come back and see what happens. So we got most of this debris out, and give some of this, give some drying off on the sides here, and next what we'll do is do some Teflon tape. Get these bars out here. Right, so Teflon tape. In this case, we have the stick stuff, you see? Look at that. And so, Teflon tape, we'll wrap around it, and be ready to put the pieces back together. So here is a 90-degree elbow, galvanized, and we'll get this thing threaded on, hopefully without crossing any threads. Oops. And yes, for people watching, I think I put this tape on backwards. Okay. Or alright, we got that on. Alright, with the use of these two here, a little pipe wrench to hold the pipe on there, and these angle pliers to grab on here and twist it around. Next, what we got is they call them a nipple kind of thing. It's a short piece of pipe here, and we're going to Teflon tape both sides of this. And one will go in here, and one will go on the other side. I started on the adapter here, and now I just thread it into this part here, the elbow. Try to get it nice and easy. And for my next trick, when it gets too tight to do it by hand, I will switch to probably those pliers and that pipe wrench. Take a pipe wrench here, pliers here, or vice versa. What this adapter is made of is a 3/4 by 3/4 plus, or a 4-way. I just put in valves on 3 of them, nipple another one, and now it's ready to be turned on. Make sure these are all turned off, turned on, and they're ready to go. This one will be used for the hose. This will be used for the sump cooler over here, and this other one will be used for the evaporative cooler, because I got some really nice hose bib 2/4 inch compression fittings that'll go on these. Alright, so thanks for watching. Question, comments down below. Odd Job Doer, out.